अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू लर्न विद हना। उम्मीद है कि आप बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे। ये वो प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस लेक्चरशिप और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की ज़बरदस्त तैयारी मिलेगी। यहाँ हम कवर करते हैं अहम सब्जेक्ट्स जैसे कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड एल्गोरिथम, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्टर की मुकम्मल तैयारी, जिसमें हम कवर करते हैं ऑल ओवर सब्जेक्ट्स और बहुत कुछ। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं अपनी तैयारी को प्रो लेवल पर ले जाना और इम्तिहान में कामयाबी हासिल करना, तो वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। चले बढ़ते हैं आज की दिलचस्प वीडियो की तरफ। ये हमारी थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ की है। अगर आपने मेरी बाकी वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो जस्ट गो लर्न विद हना की प्लेलिस्ट में, और वहाँ आप हमारी जितनी भी हमने कवर की हैं ओवरऑल सब्जेक्ट्स, वहाँ पर आपको आसानी से वीडियो मिल सकती हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, which of the following best define encapsulation in object oriented programming? So the right option is A, binding data and methods together. Here's the explanation. Encapsulation means wrapping variable in methods into a single unit class. Encapsulation, in simple words, hiding internal data and only showing the necessary parts. So this is the concept of encapsulation in OOP. Question number 42, which OOP principle is used when the same function behave differently in different classes? So the right option is B, polymorphism. Explanation: polymorphism allows the same function name to perform different tasks in different classes. Polymorphism means many forms. In object-oriented programming, polymorphism allows one function, method, or operator to behave differently based on the object or context it is used with. And there are two types of polymorphism, and these are compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Question number 43, a class that cannot be instantiated is called. So the right option is B, abstract class. Here's the explanation. Abstract class cannot create objects, they only provide a blueprint. Let's see the concept of abstract class in object oriented programming. Abstract class is like a partially completed design. It defines what child class must have but leaves the details of how to them. In simple words, we can say that abstract class is like a designer blueprint. The real work is done by its child class. Example of vehicle. A vehicle is an abstract class. It cannot be used directly because it's just a concept. Question number 44. Which keyword in C++ is used to create a derived class? So the right option is C, public, private, protected. Explanation: access specifier defines how a derived class inherits from a base class. Question number 45. Constructor overloading is an example of. So the right option is A, compile time polymorphism. Function constructor overloading is resolved at compile time. Let's see the other example of compile time polymorphism. Constructor overloading, function overloading, operator overloading, these all are the examples of compile time polymorphism. Question number 46, which of the following cannot be inherited? So the right option is constructors. Explanation: constructors are not inherited. Each class defines its own constructor. So the right option is B. Question number 47, which feature of OOP improves code reusability? So the right option is C, inheritance. Here's the explanation. Inheritance allows reusing code from parent classes. Let's see the concept of inheritance in OOP. Inheritance is one of the four main pillars of OOP, along with encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Inheritance is a process by which one class, called the child, or a subclass, acquires the properties and behaviors, data fields, and methods of another class called the parent or superclass. Question number 48. Method overriding requires. So the right option is A, same name, same parameter. Here's the explanation. Overriding means redefining a method with the same name and parameters in this subclass. Question number 49. Which of these is a special method automatically called when an object is created? So the right option is constructor. Constructor initializes objects at the time of creation. Question number 50. Which operator in C++ is used for dynamic memory allocation? So the right option is C, new. Explanation: new allocates memory dynamically in C++. Question number 51. Which function is invoked when an object goes out of scope? So the right option is B, distractor. Explanation: distractor is automatically called when object is destroyed. Question number 52. Multiple inheritance means. So the right option is A, one class inheriting from multiple classes. Explanation: in multiple inheritance, a class derives from more than one base class or parent class. In simple words, multiple inheritance means one child class having more than one parent class, but a famous issue in multiple inheritance is a diamond problem when two parents classes inherit from the same grandparent class. Question number 53. Which keyword in Java prevents method overriding? So the right option is A, final. Methods declared final cannot be overridden. Java does not support operator overloading because it was designed to be a simple, readable, and less error prone. Methods are used instead. Question number 54. Which OOP concept deals with exposing only essential details to the user? So the right option is B, abstraction. Abstraction hides implementation and shows only necessary features. Which of the following is not a type of inheritance? So the right option is D, abstract. Explanation: abstract is not an inheritance type, it's a class type. Question number 56. Virtual functions are used to achieve. So the right option is B, runtime polymorphism. Explanation: virtual functions allow dynamic runtime method binding. Virtual functions allows functions overriding at runtime, making polymorphism possible in C++ language. Question number 57. Which among these supports operator overloading? So the right option is D, both B and C, Python and C++. Explanation: C++ and Python supports operator overloading. Java does not support operator overloading because it was designed to be a simple, readable, and less error-prone. Methods are used instead of operator overloading. Question number 58. In OOP, is a relationship is represented by. So the right option is inheritance. Inheritance represents is a relationship. For example, dog is a animal. Question number 59. In OOP, has a relationship is represented by. So the right option is B, composition. Explanation: composition shows has a relationship. For example, car has an engine. Let's see the concept of composition. Composition is a design principle where one class is made up of one or more objects or other classes to achieve code reusability and represents real world relationships. Question number 60. Which of these is automatically provided in C++ if not defined? So the right option is D, all of the above. Destructor, constructor, copy constructor. Explanation: compiler provides default constructor, destructor and copy constructor. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपने बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो में ऐड कर दूंगी. सो जस्ट गो एंड वॉच. Subscribe to my channel Learn with Hana for more updates, tutorial and tips on competitive exams, especially for computer science topics and much more. So don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updates.